Here's how you can prevent any app on your iPhone from seeing your location. First, we'll go to Settings and we'll scroll down to Privacy and Security. From there, we'll go to Location Services. Here you'll see a list of apps that have requested to use your location, and the list view here gives you a good overview of the current status of each app. Usually they all fall into three categories. Either they can always see your location, never see your location, or they can see it while you're actively using the app. Some apps will also have an option called Ask Next Time or When I Share. That means next time the app tries to use your location, iOS will show the permission prompt again, asking if you'd like to allow it. The When I Share part means that location will be allowed when you trigger a location-based feature inside the app. For example, tap Use My Location, search for nearby locations, or use a map inside the app. Some apps will also have a toggle for precise location that allows you to determine whether the app can see only an approximate location or a precise location. One thing you'll notice is that the list here does not usually include every app on your phone. That's because only the apps that have asked for permission to see your location are listed here. If an app never uses location or has never asked for it, it won't be displayed here. And that's how you prevent apps from seeing your location. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.